Hey, happy Friday. We are on a journey right now for 3 days. We're going to be part of the Rank Makers Live 2021. I didn't buy the 2021 t-shirt, so I put a 1 on the 0. But we're super excited. Paula Snow is going to come here to my place, Karen Lang. We're so excited to do this. Got my sleeve on so I can be plugged in and concentrate. And it's a powerful 3-day weekend. And anybody that wants to be able to have access for the first 2 sessions for free, they're still allowing that. So yeah, it's online coaching, it's mentorship, it's mindset, it's everything, it's leadership. I'm so excited. So anyways, I just wanted to jump on here to tell you that, hey, I'm down 8 pounds. I'm down 8 pounds. Eating healthy. Did all my meal prep last night. I did sole and shrimp in the oven. I baked it. No salt. Just blue menu spices. I made rice ahead of time. Okay, sorry. Anyways, I'm going to take this call. But yeah, super excited about my food is done. I'm ready for this online coaching and it's real time Facebook Live. So I have to go take that call. That's my coach that calls me every morning to help me with my mindset and look at my food journal and coach me through this. And I'm so grateful. UN London Studios is what I joined. It's a weight loss program and I'm so grateful I decided to do this. And Barb Tadgel, thank you for encouraging me as well. And have a fabulous Friday. Also in Accordance Holistic Touch, London, Ontario, Canada. Make it a good one. Bye-bye.